What's up, YouTube? Seductive Souls coming at you. Got a pair of Nike Roshe runs, ice white. Just got them in the mail. They've been sent to me to do a custom. Of course, a Tennessee Titan custom. Special for one person, the chili pepper. So, I'm gonna give you all the way around look at these. All white. Change them into something special. Make them something fly upon his request. So stay tuned for the finished product. Catamize back at you with the finished product on these Nike Roshes. As you can see, we got my favorite, the Tennessee Titans. Special shoe I did for my boy, the Chili Pepper. He's from Mexico. He's a Tennessee Titan fan. These shoes are about to be delivered to him. He's going to wear these for the Monday Night Football game versus the Houston Texans. So we're going to go ahead and get into a look at these customs. Of course, as you see, when we started, the shoe was all white. I decided to go half and half because he's a Mexico fan. He's from Mexico and he's a Tennessee Titan fan. So I decided to split it up. I went with the navy blue and the baby blue on one shoe. And these colors match our new 20-year anniversary jerseys that we just switched to. Toe box, we got the fireball on there. Down the middle, I painted this gray and went with a white Nike check. On the side, white Nike check, baby blue. On the outside, back shot, gray pull tab, navy blue on the right side with a white check. And these shoes, they turned out pretty good. I was satisfied with them. I didn't think they were going to come out this good. Then, of course, on the sock liner, I went red with the sock liner. Red and gray is one of the least colors on the Titans jersey. So, try to keep it official and not overdo it. Now, get back to the other shoe. He's from Mexico. He's a Titans fan in Mexico. So, I did the Mexican flag on this shoe. Now, green, white, and red. You see the little speckles in the middle. You'll see that at the beginning. His Mexican Titan flag is just like this with the speckles. That's his request to get that done like that, which turned out pretty good as well. Go ahead and get to the outside of the shoe. Got the green. As I said, they call him the Chili Pepper. So I turned the Nike check into a chili pepper, outlined it in black. Turn it around. Same thing in the back. The speckles for his flag that he carries and represents for the Tennessee Titans. On the inside, with the red, again, the chili pepper, outlined in black. See squiggly lines or whatever. That's because no chili pepper, no two chili peppers are the same size, and of course they are not straight. So that's done specifically for a reason. Then of course I left the sock liner white on these. A few speckles on there in the back. Paint the little threads green and red right there. But yeah, Nike Roshe custom Tennessee Titans / Mexico Titans family base. Came out pretty good. like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.